Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a tool that might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to beauty. But trust me, it plays a crucial role in the health of your home or auto air conditioning system. It's the Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener. And if you've ever struggled with dirty or damaged condenser fins, you're going to want to hear this. The Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener is a compact and highly specialized tool designed to clean and straighten fins in a variety of systems, from your car's AC condenser to home HVAC units. This tool provides up to 12 different fin spacing options, making it incredibly versatile and perfect for various applications where precision is key. Now, when you look at the design, it's clear that Robinair has thought this through. The nylon straightener heads measure just 3 1/8 inches in diameter, meaning it fits easily into tight spaces. This is perfect if you're dealing with areas that are hard to reach or confined, like under the hood of your car. And the ribbed plastic handle is only 3 1/2 inches long, giving you great control and grip while using it, even in those awkward positions. What makes this tool stand out are the 2 interchangeable comb heads. Each comb head offers 6 different comb sizes, providing 12 options in total. One head covers the fin sizes of 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15 fins per inch, and the other handles 10.5, 11, 13, 18, and 22 fins per inch. This ensures that no matter the fin size of your condenser, you'll have a precise match to help straighten and clean them effectively. Using the Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener is incredibly easy. I tested it on both an auto condenser and a home evaporator coil, and the results were impressive. The tool made it simple to straighten the fins, restoring airflow and efficiency to the systems. The compact size meant that even when the space was tight, I could maneuver the tool with ease. The nylon heads were gentle on the fins, which is crucial for preventing further damage, but still rigid enough to do the job efficiently. As with any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses. The pros? It's durable, easy to use, and incredibly versatile with a variety of comb head options. The design is compact, making it perfect for confined spaces. Plus, it's sturdy enough to handle repeated use without showing signs of wear. Cons? It's a bit more specific in its use. If you don't have a fin system that needs maintenance, this tool might not be relevant. Also, for those with larger hands, the handle might feel a little small during extended use. Now, let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this might seem like a specialized tool that only a few people would need, but for anyone working on HVAC systems or maintaining home and auto air conditioning units, this is a small investment that pays off in both time and cost savings. The quality of the tool justifies its price, and it will likely last for years. When comparing the Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener to others on the market, you'll find that it stands out due to its variety of comb sizes and compact, ergonomic design. Some similar tools may have fewer options for fin spacing, so if you're looking for a highly adaptable and durable tool, this one is a great choice. The build quality is solid. The nylon comb heads are tough yet gentle on fins, and the plastic handle provides a comfortable grip even with prolonged use. The tool is small but robust, and it feels like it could withstand years of use in a variety of conditions. As for customer support, while I didn't need to reach out personally, Robinair has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful with any inquiries related to their products. I've heard great things from others in the HVAC community, so I feel confident that if issues ever arose, they'd be handled professionally. As far as updates go, I haven't seen any recent changes to this tool, and honestly, I don't think it needs any. It does exactly what it's designed to do and does it well. For those of you on a tighter budget, there are alternative tools on the market. However, none of them offer the same level of versatility in fin sizes and the compactness that this one does. You might find cheaper options, but they may lack the precision or durability, making this a solid choice if you need something you can rely on. To wrap things up, the Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener is a highly effective tool for anyone working with finned HVAC systems, both in home and auto applications. Its compact design, wide range of comb sizes, and durability make it a standout in its category. If you work with air conditioners regularly, This is an investment that will save you time and hassle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon to stay updated with more honest, expert reviews. Your support helps us continue to create great content for beauty lovers like you. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Robinair 18403 Fin Straightener, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.